Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to try to start up Trusty for the first time. I do got a couple things I gotta do. I got a new relay I'm going to run for the fuel pump, because right now I got it coming off my alternator and it comes down and around to this relay, and then that wire goes around. So I got this big loop right here. I'm going to try to do away with all that and just run the line right over to here somewhere. I'll probably take this off and put the relay right here and then line down, so that'll cut out probably 12 foot of wire there. Alright, I got my new power wire ran right here. Got my fuse, 30 amp fuse. It runs back to the relay I just put in. I was able to get all of that wire, extra wire where it ran down and around out. So now it just runs there and then back down. So I think that'll be better. I'm probably going to end up getting 2 more relays for my fan and just get rid of this box. I might actually put the relays down here and shorten that wire up some, but for now this will work. Alright guys, this is one thing I forgot. We got to plug up on the computer is a vacuum line. The parts store didn't have vacuum line, so we got some 3/16 fuel line. But anyways, I'm going to plug it in right here. This had a little plastic cap thing on it. I just broke it off with some needle nose. So we're gonna run from there, probably go in where the transmission harness is, and then over to the computer. Inside the truck here, this is where the vacuum line hooks to. They give you this little pack of fittings. It's got different size fittings. There's 3 of them. And a bunghole for the oxygen sensor. But get 3 different sizes here. And the one I'm going to be using is the middle one. So it just screws on there like that, and then you plug your vacuum line to it. Of course, I'm going to run that up in here where you can't see it that good. Alright guys, all I got left to do is put some antifreeze in it and change the oil real quick. I got that there, and we'll be ready to start it up. I got my transmission lines right here just looped together, but I'll figure out what I'm going to do with that some other time. But for right now, I just want to start this thing up. So we'll go ahead and get some antifreeze in it, change the oil, and we'll be starting her up. Alright, so before I started, I had to go through the calibration wizard, and it tells you what all to do. You just got to put in some information, like the number of cylinders and the firing order and all that. But now I got all that done, so now it's time to start it. Yes!
Let her rip, cornbread.
Woo! Got it running. My battery voltage is a little low, so I don't know if the alternator ain't working or I just got it wired up wrong. So that's something I have to figure out. I don't know what's going on with the alternator. Right now it's doing good, so I don't know. Maybe it was just messed up where it's been sitting for a while, and maybe it's good now. But so far it's been reading good, so we got full pressure. So everything seems good.
I could do this.
Alright, we got it running. Ready to go racing. Yeah. Alright guys, we know it runs. If you've been following the build, you know that this engine had rust in the cylinder walls when I took it apart. And there is some pitting in one of the cylinder walls. I can't remember which one it is, but I don't know how long it's gonna last. But we know it runs, so I think I'm gonna buy another 5.3 and build it for turbo. But this one is enough to move it around for now, so yeah. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.